Creating a website with GetResponse is easy with its drag-and-drop website builder. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into GetResponse. Go to the GetResponse login page and enter your login details. Access Website Builder. From the main dashboard, navigate to Website Builder under the Menu section. Click Create Website to start. Choose a template. GetResponse offers a variety of templates for different industries. Browse through the available options and select the one that fits your business needs. Customize your template. Use the drag-and-drop editor to add and customize elements on your page, such as text, images, videos, and contact forms. Modify colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand identity. Add essential pages. Add necessary pages like home, about, services, contact, etc. You can also add a blog or online store if needed. Set up SEO. Optimize your website for search engines by adding meta descriptions, keywords, and alt text for images. Publish your website. Once you're happy with your design, click Publish. Choose your domain name.